Hi Pamlingtons, this report's mainly for you because we've already discussed this with Neil. With regard to this chimney here, which has got this ongoing problem with it, we think we might have figured this out actually, because there's you can't actually see it from this angle, but the top few courses you might just about be able to make it out there. There's a lot of moss growing in them. And from this perspective, as we go down from the top, the moss is gradually tracking on screen from left to right as the courses go down. That's telling us that water's getting into that mortar course from the apex there and somehow trickling down. Now we know it's not getting in the other side because of the amount of work that we've done. So Craig's had a very close look, and we think that the virtual impossible's happening here. We think that water's getting in here on the opposite elevation and trickling through the brickwork, hitting the chimney and then dripping down. That's what we think's going on, because we've done absolutely everything else. So we know that this plastic trim Mr. Idiot fitted has been fitted incorrectly, so we think water's getting driven in here and getting into the brickwork, because if it gets in there it'll go behind here and it can't get out because, well, essentially it's been fitted upside down. So it's the only way he could do it, because he's forgotten to fit it initially. So the water's running in there and into the brickwork and then trickling down. Not here where I'm showing you, up there obviously. So what we're going to do, what Craig's doing right now, is he's clearing off little bits of moss and so on, wiping down, and then he's going to seal all the way down there with acrylic sealant, which is what you can see him doing now. And we both firmly believe that that is the last thing. End of report.